Hello friends, welcome to AICompu classes. Do you want to add multiply numbers in Excel quickly? In this video, you will learn how to use the sum function to calculate tools in just a few seconds. What is sum function? The sum function is one of the most useful function in Excel. It adds, multiply numbers or sales values together and returns the total. Example is equal to sum first bracket then all select bracket close then enter. Do you know AutoSum shortcuts? For an even faster method, use the AutoSum shortcut. Select the total cell then press Alt plus is equal to. Now see, AutoSum is ready. You can also add non-adjacent cells using the sum function. Let's go. This formula adds only the values in cells is equal to sum first bracket select A5, select D5, select E5, select F5, select G5, H5, bracket close, then enter. This formula adds only the values in cells. Next, adding multiply range is equal to sum first bracket select C6 and D6, select E6 and F6, select G6 and A6, bracket close, then enter. This formula adds all the values from both the column range. Many people make this common mistake. Sum bracket all select. This is wrong process. Exactly process always is equal to sum first bracket select bracket close enter. Remember this common mistake: forgetting the equal sign, selecting the wrong cells range, numbers sorted as text, missing the closing percentage and forgetting the press enter. Stop adding numbers one by one in Excel. First select the total range, bracket close, then enter and show get result. There are many ways to use the sum formula in Excel. Bye bye.